How to add object on the photo on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Here, you can view all the photos and videos on your phone. Open any photo from here. Then, tap on the edit icon below. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on the markup icon. Once you tap the markup icon, a toolbar with various tools will appear. These tools include pen, pencil, highlighter, eraser, ruler, and color options. Go to the bottom right corner and tap on the plus button. From here, you can add shapes, signatures, and other elements. Tap on Add Sticker. From the sticker options, select the sticker that you like. Place it anywhere you like. And then, tap on the plus icon again and select Add Text. As you can see, you can now add a text over this photo. You can repeat the same steps to add a shape on this photo as well. Once you're done, go to the top right corner and tap on the tick icon. And then, tap on Done. Following these steps, you can easily add object on the photo on iPhone.